Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wear this red lipstick perfectly, so please keep watching. So before we apply our lipstick, it's extremely important to hydrate our lips, and today I'm using the Carmex lip balm to hydrate my lips. Now I'm taking a simple tissue and just patting it on my lips to absorb the excess lip balm. It is important to remove the lip balm or else the lipstick tends to bleed because of the excess moisture it gets from the lip balm. So one of my favorite lipsticks from M.A.C is the Russian Red because it's matte, and even though it's matte, it does not dry my lips out. So I start applying the lipstick with my lower lip, and from the center I go outwards. Then I go to the upper lip, start from the Cupid's bow and apply it outwards. So when I'm wearing a bold lip color, I first like to fill them roughly with a lipstick and then finish it off with a lip liner. Don't worry about the messy lines right here because that we will fix with the lip liner. Then I very lightly fill in the gaps, ensuring that I fill the corners of my lips as well. Today I'm using a lip liner called Red Enriched from M.A.C. It's a little darker than the lipstick, and that's how I like it. This will give them a little more pout naturally. I'm again starting with the lower lip, tightening them by smiling and creating a fine outline of the lipstick over my natural lip. Now for the upper lip, I start with the Cupid's bow in the center, extending it a bit higher and going outward on my natural line and joining it to the lower lip. As I'm going with the lip liner, I'm also blending it with the lipstick together. You may also have to open your mouth to stretch the lip and to create a clean in a straight line. I also would recommend to keep a Q-tip handy just to clean the harsh edges or any smudges that you get outside. Now, a lot of people like to take a concealer and a flat brush just to outline the lip, but I don't like to do that because somehow I feel that it creates a difference between the colors with the foundation that you've already worn and the new application that you're going to do. So I like to leave it this way, and if you want to make it a little more matte, here's a pro tip. Take a tissue, place it over your lips, and take a dry beauty blender with some loose powder on it, dab it on your lips, and then just remove the tissue. And with that, it's a wrap, guys. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful to you. And I will also mention a few of my favorite red lipsticks in the description box down below. Also give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For those who are new here, I post videos every week and I will see you next week. Thank you for watching.